Welcome to our guide on creating a successful Instagram ad campaign. Whether you're a small business or a seasoned marketer, this step-by-step approach will help you maximize your ad's performance on Instagram. Understanding your audience. Before diving into the creative process, the first step is to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Instagram's Insights tool can provide valuable data about your followers, including age, gender, location, and even the times they are most active. Tailoring your ad to align with your audience's preferences increases the chances of engagement and conversion. Setting clear goals. Next, define clear goals for your campaign. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales? Your goal will determine the type of ad you create and how you measure its success. Remember, a well-defined goal is the foundation of any successful ad campaign. Choosing the right ad format. Instagram offers several ad formats, including photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, and story ads. Each format has its own strengths, so choose one that aligns with your campaign goals. For instance, if you're showcasing multiple products, a carousel ad might be the best option. If you want to create a more immersive experience, consider a video ad or a story ad. Crafting compelling visuals and copy. Now, let's talk about the creative aspects. Your visuals should be eye-catching and aligned with your brand's aesthetic. High-quality images and videos are crucial, as Instagram is a visually driven platform. Additionally, your copy should be concise and engaging, with a clear call to action that guides users on what to do next, whether it's shop now, learn more, or sign up. Targeting your audience. Instagram targeting options allow you to reach a specific audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. You can also use custom audiences to retarget users who have interacted with your brand before. Proper targeting ensures that your ads are shown to people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Setting a budget and schedule. Setting a budget that aligns with your campaign goals is essential. Instagram allows you to set daily or lifetime budgets, and you can control when your ads are shown. Start with a modest budget, test different creatives, and adjust as needed based on performance. Monitoring and optimizing your campaign. Once your campaign is live, it's crucial to monitor its performance. Instagram provides detailed analytics on how your ads are performing. Keep an eye on key metrics like click-through rates, engagement, and conversion rates. Use this data to make informed decisions, tweaking your ads to improve performance over time. And that's it. By following these steps, understanding your audience, setting clear goals, choosing the right ad format, crafting compelling visuals and copy, targeting effectively, setting a budget, and continuously optimizing, you'll be well on your way to running a successful Instagram ad campaign. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next campaign.